If you're new to Microsoft Word, this video is going to give you a simple, beginner-friendly walkthrough so you can start creating documents with confidence. We'll cover the basics step by step, from opening a blank document to typing text, formatting it, adding visual elements, changing page layout, and saving your work properly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Microsoft Word for everyday documents like letters, notes, reports, and more. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this from your Start menu, taskbar, desktop shortcut, or app launcher, depending on your device. Once Word opens, you'll usually see the start screen with a few template options. For this tutorial, click Blank Document. That gives you a clean page where you can start typing right away. Now that your blank document is open, click into the page and begin typing your text. Word works like a digital page, so whatever you type appears directly in the document area. If you make a mistake, you can use backspace or delete just like you would anywhere else. As you type, Word automatically continues onto the next line when the text reaches the end of the page, so you don't need to press enter after every line unless you want a new paragraph. Next, let's look at formatting your text using the Home tab. The Home tab is where you'll find the most common editing tools. If you want to change the font, select the text first, then choose a different font from the font menu. If you wanted the text to be larger or smaller, use the font size box. You can also make text bold, italic, or underlined using the buttons in the toolbar. These tools are useful for making headings stand out, emphasizing important points, or making your document easier to read. You can also change the alignment of your text in the Home tab. For example, you can align text to the left, center it, align it to the right, or justify it so it lines up neatly on both sides. This is especially helpful if you want your document to look more polished and professional. If you're writing a title or heading, centering it can make it look much cleaner. If you're writing normal body text, left alignment is usually the best option. After that, go to the Insert tab if you want to add extra content to your document. This is where you can insert images, tables, shapes, icons, charts, and other useful elements. If you want to add a picture, choose Pictures and select the image from your device. If you need to organize information, a table can help you break it into rows and columns. Shapes are great for simple visuals, and charts are useful if you want to show data more clearly. Word gives you a lot of flexibility here, so you can make your document as simple or as detailed as you need. Now let's move to the Layout tab. This section helps you control how your page is arranged. Here you can adjust margins, page orientation, paper size, and spacing. Margins control how much blank space appears around the edges of your page. Orientation lets you switch between portrait and landscape depending on the type of document you're creating. Spacing is useful if you want your document to look more open or fit more content on the page. These settings are especially important if you're creating schoolwork, business documents, or anything that needs a clean layout. You can also use the Design tab to give your document a more styled appearance. In this tab, you'll find themes and formatting options that can change the overall look of your document. If you want a more professional presentation, a theme can help unify the fonts, colors, and spacing. This is a nice option when you want your document to look more finished without manually changing every single detail. Once your document looks the way you want, it's time to save it. Click File, then choose Save As. This is an important step because it lets you decide where the file should be stored on your computer or cloud drive. Choose the location you want, then type a file name that will help you find it later. After that, click Save. Saving your work regularly is one of the best habits you can build because it protects your progress and makes sure you don't lose your document if something unexpected happens. If you want to keep editing later, just open the file again from its saved location and continue where you left off. You can always go back and update the text, add more content, or change the formatting whenever you need to. And that's the basic workflow for using Microsoft Word. Open a blank document, type your content, format it with the Home tab, insert extra elements, adjust the layout, apply design styles, and save your file properly. If this video helped you understand Microsoft Word a little better, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.